Okay, in the last video, we saved our happy hamburger to the gallery. This is your gallery, okay? Now you have some options here. Apply outline. We're gonna do that later, okay? Because I want to add some text first. We can duplicate the image. We can delete the outline. We can reset, okay? We can upscale. That means improving the quality of the image to up the max to 300 DPI. That's the standard you want. You can download it with this little icon here. You can or delete the whole thing. Okay, really important. First thing I want to do right here, very simple. I want to edit. Click edit. Okay, really important. Go to edit and check this out. I want to add a little quote here. This will increase the value of your sticker. If you add something funny, a little proverb, something philosophical, something quirky, something clever, really important. Okay, so I'm going to put in something off the top of my head. I'm going to add text. I'm going to change the text to something cuter. I like okay. I'm going to put in, let me see what I'm putting. I'm going to put in, I don't know, eat and be merry. Okay, with a Y, of course. Now I'm going to click on this curving tool. I'm going to click this curving tool here and play with the diameter like that. So I'm going to bring this up towards the top and play with it some more so that it fits what I want to be done here. Close this off for now, like that. Eat and be merry. Very good. I'll increase the thickness of this text. Very good, like that. Now, what I want to do now is save and exit. Once I save and exit, I'll be able to go back to the image and click apply outline. Okay, once I apply outline, it's going to apply an outline to the entire sticker. You see that? Eat and be merry. That's really cool. That's one of the best features about this software tool. It will attach your funny, quirky little proverb or quote, whatever it may be, to your sticker, regardless of the font you use. This is powerful stuff. I cannot express how powerful this is. Okay, this will add value to your sticker when you sell it online. Really good stuff. Okay, I'll see you in the next. Oh, once you're done, by the way, you want to click download, right? Actually, you want to upscale this image. I'm not done. I'm sorry. Really important point here. You want to upscale this image. Now you want to download this image. Let me show you what we got here. Eat and be merry. Perfect sticker for your Etsy listing. Okay, see you in the next video.